What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and good morning from Canada, bright and early. Just almost 9 o'clock here on the East Coast. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, seeing a nice bounce. We're up at 81 cents, almost 82. We're seeing a market cap of, sorry guys, wow. We're up 6.47 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.48 billion. 24-hour volume has come up to 916 million. Let's hop into the charts. So as you can see here, we're seeing a nice bounce off the 0.5, which is the maximum retracement for a wave 4 pullback. So what I'm watching here is this trend line. See how we're now back testing it as resistance. Now we can, of course, we can roll over, come down, create a double bottom, or break lower. But if we were to break this trend line of resistance, and especially if we can come up and break this down sloping trend line, that's when we can start to put in that wave 5 to take us all the way up here. I'm just gonna move this over. Take us all the way up in between about $1.08 to about $1.22 for our friend Matic. It all really depends on if we can break this upper trend line. Right now we're hitting resistance on the lower trend line. So if we were to get rejected, we'd have to look for a potential double bottom, or if we break lower, it invalidates this as a wave 4 pullback. But if we can see some volume step in and we can break this upper trend line, and especially if we can come up and break this resistance of about 90 cents, I would expect you to put in that wave 5 and finally complete that wave 3 target. Now if we pop over to our next chart, which is here on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we're seeing a nice bounce off that level of support at about 73 cents. So it all really depends if we can come up, break through this trend line, and see continuation to the upside. Let's quickly open up our EMAs. We'll open up the 20 and the 55. Yeah, so we are underneath the EMAs on the 4-hour time frame, just about to add the bearish cross. So if we can bounce and get back above the EMAs, hold them as support, just as we did here. Sorry guys, just as we did right here. We broke back above the EMAs, we held them as support. We saw a large breakout, we broke below them, but we broke back above them once again. We held them as support. We saw a large push to the upside. So if we can get back above the EMAs, then we can see a nice push up to that wave 5 target. We also have quite a bit of resistance coming in at about $1.04 for Matic. As you can see, if we scroll back, that was a major level we've been covering here on the channel, right at that $1.04 range. And of course, we still have our technical target from this cup and handle up here at about $1.16. So just a quick little update for Matic. Nice to see a beautiful bounce off the 0.5. Could potentially be looking at the end of the wave 4 correction if we can come up and break out of this downsloping trend line, as I mentioned here. But if we simply roll over, then just watch for a potential double bottom. We could see a large breakout back to the upside. But if we come down, we break this low, we start coming down to the golden ratio, it will invalidate this structure, especially if we lose 67 cents, as I've been mentioning. That's when we can come all the way back down to about 52 cents for our friend Matic. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Recently gave a little signal for Ethereum. Talked about a triple top with the bearish D, and a break and retest of the neckline could offer a good short, and that's exactly what happened. As you can see right here, when I posted the trade, it was just at the neckline, broke the neckline, came all the way down, and I said we could lock in some profits here as ETH reaches support, and that's exactly where Ethereum started to bounce. It was right after I had posted that you can lock in some profits on that trade. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, it's $10 a month till the end of July, and then it's going to be bumped up to $25. But if you get in now, you can stay in at $10 for life. So get in while supplies last. And we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and if you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.